Hey, what's up guys? Today we are in the Willow Bend neighborhood. This is a newer neighborhood in northeastern Thornton off 144th in Colorado. This neighborhood was built in 2019 and this house behind me is fucking awesome. It's got 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 4,400 square feet, and for sure you're gonna love it. So if you got any questions about this neighborhood, this area, or this house, please drop a comment below or reach out. All my contact info is down there. Make sure you like and subscribe for more comment, and let's go check this out.
TikTok, all stop.
All right, guys, that's the house. I hope you loved it because obviously I did. I think I'm gonna buy it myself, but if I don't, you better get your asses up here quick because someone's gonna. Once again, this is the Willow Bend neighborhood. It is newer, built in 2019. We're in northeastern Thornton, just off 144th in Colorado. It is super easy to get downtown from here, super easy to get in the city, but you're still far away enough in the suburbs to get some peace and quiet at night. If you got any questions about this listing, don't hesitate to reach out. I got all my contact info below. Make sure you like and subscribe for more comment, and we'll see you later.